Hello, this is John with Tri-Town. I am accessing a clean out in the basement. 57 feet out, I am at the lift station out in front of the house. I do have the water flowing right now to show you that the water is exiting to the lift station correctly. I will pause the video and let this water drain, and then I will push back. I will play again. So pausing the video for now. All right, I am resuming video and we will be pulling back. That is the rescue that we removed the pipe, and over time it will be flushed out when utilizing water. And that concludes the video.